What perseverance means to me is to never give up. Keep trying and trying, even if you fail. If you try your hardest, you will do it. Don't give up. Have perseverance. Good morning, students.
Good morning, Miss S.
Are you ready for our morning addition problem?
Yeah.
All right, here are your papers. Don't forget to write your names. All right, our first problem will be 3 plus 2. Does anyone know the answer? Melanie?
9.
Close, but that's not it. Dominic?
Is it 5?
Correct. All right, our next question will be 7 plus 3. I'll give you guys a few minutes to solve this one.
Hey, do you know the answer? Sorry, I don't know.
Hey, are you okay?
No, not really. I don't know the answer.
Well, Miss S says I can't tell you the answer, but I can give you some encouraging words if that's what you like.
Okay.
My parents always said to, if you think that you're gonna fail, keep going and persevere, because then you'll never fail.
Okay, so there's 7, and then there's 3, so plus 3 is 10. Good job!
Good job, students. I'm gonna guess you're all finished.
Yeah.
Did you all get the correct answer?
Yeah.
On the count of 3, tell me what you got. 3, 2, 1.
10!
Correct!